Hello, dear pilot trainees. Hope you are enjoying my videos in the series of navigation numericals. No need to emphasize on the importance. Numericals form a large part of your question paper. And today's topic is VOR and ILS numericals question paper. In the last 3-4 videos, I have given you the technique of solving VOR and ILS numericals. Well, I hope you are studying hard, working hard towards your aim of sitting here in the front seat. Okay? And to fulfill your dreams of sitting in the front seat and flying away to glory, you need to put in effort. And don't forget to do every time I give you a question paper. Just little bit of revision before I give you the question paper. Remember, for VOR, radials are transmitted from the ground, and the radial which you select for tracking in or out should be your OBS. Tracking out, select the radial as your OBS. Tracking in, select the QDM as your OBS, and remain within 10 degrees, because beyond 10 degrees, there is a full deflection of the CDI needle. ILS has two transmitters. One is localizer at the end of the runway, whose full deflection is 2.5 degrees, and a glide path transmitter, which is near the beginning of the runway on UHF, and its full deflection is 0.7 degrees. So if you remain on the glide path and on the runway center line, you will get a perfect cross here, and this cross will be in the center here. We had discussed it before. Another point I would like you to mention at that when you are descending, you are using localizer and glide path both. As you come here and now are preparing yourself for landing, remember, after 300 meters, glide path is no more available to you. It is left behind, and localizer guidance will be available till the runway end. So even after landing, you can use the localizer. Before you solve these numericals, please check that are you on correct sensing or reverse sensing. Fortunately, in glide slope, there is no reverse sensing. Okay. And then you check those numericals, and please remember the OBS which you select is the main point for the VOR or ILS to take into consideration, that is your line of interest. So if you are on any other radial, okay, then it will show you a deflection. So OBS is the guiding factor for your VOR as well as ILS. Now, here are some questions for your VOR. And please remember another point, that if you have found out your radial and he wants a QT, you have to apply variation. When you are using VOR as the nav aid, apply the variation at the ground station. When you are doing ATF numericals, you have selected magnetic heading plus bearing relative QDM, and he says, no, give me the QETA. You have to again apply variation. Which variation? At the place where the aircraft is flying. Okay? Because ATF bearings are measured by the aircraft, whereas VOR radials are transmitted from the ground. So This is applicable when variation at the ground position and your aircraft approximate position is different. Now, here are your set of numericals, and hope you get them all correct. Note them down, do the numericals, and then check the answers which I have given you in the end. Don't be in a hurry to check the answers. And if you find anywhere difficulty, come back to me. You want to tell your friends that I got it all correct on one side? Welcome. You can come back to the comments section. Next is your numericals of ILS, Instrument Landing System. Here are the numericals. Okay. Like I told you once before, there is something known as a precision DME, which gives you distance from the threshold. Okay, PDME reading means this is your distance in nautical miles from the threshold, or this distance where the aircraft is may be given to you in the examination. Use that. 1 in 60 questions, and I hope you will do all correct. And after now he's asking at 25 nautical miles, what should be your vertical height? And when he wants from the ground, don't forget to add those 50 feet. I hope you remember that. And of course, now here are your answers. Now, if you have gone wrong in any of the answers, don't be disheartened. If you are doing it for the first time, everybody has a problem. First time, everything looks difficult to you. Okay. And moment you do these questions twice or thrice, you'll find in the examination, you'll be smiling away to glory. And that's what I would look forward to. Now, good luck, all the best. And I hope you are giving a like to the videos, as also subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. All the best. Happy landing. This is SK Booty here saying bye-bye for the day.